Good morning and welcome to this first course on partial differential equations. This course is jointly given by two of us, Datti and me. I am A.K. Nandakumaran from Department of Mathematics, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore.
And I am P.S. Datti, former faculty from Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, TIFR Camp, Bangalore. Though a semester course normally contains some 45 hours of lecturing, after celebration we thought it better to give two half semester courses instead of one semester course at a stretch. The first part will be covered in some 20 hours and so is the second part. This has two advantages. Firstly, the present course consists of material which is more than that of most of the UG and PG courses in our universities. Secondly, it gives some time to digest the basics. So, it gives a good foundation for those students who used to learn more advanced topics even in classical theory and eventually pursue their interest and maybe research career in the subject of PDE.
Though this is a basic course on PDE, we have tried to show the geometry and analysis behind the study of PDEs, going beyond the mere introduction of problem solving techniques. Nevertheless, problem solving is also equally important as it aids to the theoretical study of PDEs. We will indeed work out some problems to understand the theory and the features, but we strongly advise the students and teachers who are taking the course to work out more problems to understand the theory. In other words, paying equal attention to the theory and problem solving.
As this course may be taken from students coming from different academic backgrounds, we have spent a few hours in collecting some material from calculus of several variables and classical geometry, which normally is not done in a first course on PDE. And these results will be used frequently in the course. The course then moves properly into PDE, the subject of PDE, beginning with first order equations, then classification of PDE, and then the three fundamental second order equations, namely the Laplace equation, the heat equation and the wave equation. Though one wishes to provide a general theory as much as possible, but due to the diverse nature of applications, it is indeed very difficult to develop a very general theory even in the case of linear second order equations. The general theory of first order equations is fairly complete and is based on the method of characteristics. The concept of characteristics is very fundamental and geometric, not only in the context of first order equations, but also higher order equations as well. We first developed the method of characteristics to study the first order equations, ultimately leading to the study of first order PDEs to that of solving a system of first order ODEs. We introduced the notion of initial value problem, which is also known as Cauchy problem.
When we try to imitate the Cauchy problems to higher order equation, say for example second order linear equation, we immediately realize that the analysis is not that straightforward, necessitating the concept of classification. These issues will also be discussed in the classification of PDEs and one has to treat equations based on the classifications. In other words, or more precisely, it's not possible to study even the second order linear equations in a single framework. In fact, a complete classification is not also available in general, but nearly a complete classification is available in the second order linear equations in the case of two variables. In brief, linear PDEs are divided into three classes: elliptic, parabolic and hyperbolic. So our aim in this course is to study a prototype equation from each of these classes, which are known as Laplace, heat and wave equations. Interestingly, these equations appear itself independently in literature, and they also exhibit the essential features of the class they belong to.
Even to study these three equations, Laplace, heat and wave equation, in complete detail, it is beyond the scope of the first part of this course, but we will try to bring out some of the important features and properties of these sample problems. For example, in the case of Laplace equation, we introduce the notion of mean value property for harmonic functions, and we see that harmonic functions are characterized by the so called mean value property. We introduce the fundamental solutions and Green function and derive Green's formula and maximum principles for the harmonic functions, which are solutions of the Laplace equation. We use this to derive Poisson formula and Poisson kernel for the ball and upper half planes. But the full existence theory based on Perron's method will be discussed in the second part, including the Newtonian potential.
In the case of other two equations, namely heat and wave equations, we mainly restrict to the one dimensional spatial variable. But the topics covered regarding the heat equation in one space variable case essentially carry over to higher dimensions, but that is not the case when you deal with wave equations, which is very much dimension dependent, both qualitatively and quantitatively. For the heat equation, we derive the Fourier Poisson formula, discuss weak minimum maximum principle, a brief discussion on uniqueness and non-uniqueness results is also done. The topics that are covered for the wave equation include characteristic variables, D'Alembert formula, domain of dependence and range of influence, and also domain of determinacy, propagation of singularities, equations with two distinct speeds, equations with many simple and multiple roots, generalization of the D'Alembert's formula, inhomogeneous equation. We also discussed Duhamel's principle, wave equations in special cases, for example in the half line and finite interval.
Though we used to call this first course of 20 hours a baby course in PDE, in order to digest the contents of this course properly, a student need to work continuously and solve the assignments and perhaps read more material from the reference books. And as far as the second part is concerned, second part of this course will discuss the two important first order equations, namely Hamilton-Jacobi equations and conservation laws, which are discussed briefly in this first course, and also discussed the need to go for non-classical solutions, They will be taken up in detail in the second part of this course, and we will also study more on Laplace equations, in particular Perron's method and Newtonian potential method, and introduce the space of four continuous functions, explaining the need for going for this class of functions. We will also discuss heat and wave equations in higher dimensions, and we will also give a brief introduction to weak derivatives and weak solutions.
Welcome to the course in two parts. One part will be offered in this January, and most probably the second part will be offered in the July-August semester. And these two courses will essentially cover our recently published book on partial differential equations by Cambridge. We are sure that you will enjoy this course and you will get a very good idea about partial differential equations. Thank you very much.
Thank you.